Economics, Standard 12, Unit 12, Introduction to Statistical Methods and Econometrics. Statistics is the grammar of science, says Carl Pearson. If we just know the etymology and milestones of statistics in global world, in the global level, the term statistics originated in the West and was known by various names. It was known in Latin as status. So status in Latin, and statistic in German, statistics in German, statistical in French. Though it has various names in various countries, in various languages, it has the same meaning, that is political state. Gottfried used the word statistics in 1749 to describe the political science of different countries. So all these names in short mean to describe the political state. The first book to have statistics as its title was Contribution to Vital Statistics by Francis G.P. Nason in 1845. It was to prepare a systematic study of birth and death related data. It was to prepare a systematic study of death and birth rate related to data. And as we remember, the father of statistics is Ronald Fisher. The fundamental principles of statistics were developed by the biologist Ronald Fisher, who lived in England during the last century. His studies in statistics led to the synthesis of evolution and modern genetics. He was able to apply statistics to a variety of fields such as biometry, genetics, psychology, education, agriculture, and others. He was able to apply to different fields. Besides, he is also known as the pioneer of estimation theory, analysis of variance, and design of experiments. Hence, he is known as the father of statistics. Statistics in India. Evidence from history proves that during the reign of Chandragupta Maurya, there existed a system of maintaining vital statistics, including registration of births and deaths. Such records can be found in Kaudilya's Arthasastra, that is even before 300 BC. Kaudilya's Arthasastra, we can just find the statistics record of birth and death of people during the reign of Chandragupta Maurya. And the book Aini Akbari mentions the statistical and administrative surveys conducted during Akbar's rule. P.C. Mahalanobis is known as the founder of modern statistics and also as father of statistics in India. So, P.C. Mahalanobis, he is called as the father of statistics in India. Since 2007, 29th of June, every year is celebrated as Statistics Day to commemorate his birth anniversary. There are various definitions of statistics. The term statistics is used in two ways and in two senses, namely singular and plural. Under singular, it simply means statistical methods. So singular, it simply means statistical methods. So collection, presentation, classification, and interpretation of data to make it easily comprehensible is just comes under singular one, that is. So statistical data. It simply means statistical methods. And in plural, it denotes collection of numerical figures and facts. In plural, it denotes collection of numerical figures and facts. It is the science of counting and science of average. So statistics is the science of counting and science of average. So statistics is a science of estimates and probabilities, and also it may be defined as the collection, organization, presentation, analysis, and interpretation of numerical data. It can also be defined as the collection, organization, presentation, analysis, interpretation of numerical data, says Croxton and Cowden. The characteristics of and functions of statistics. It is an aggregate of facts. So statistics are an aggregate of facts. For example, numbers in a calendar pertaining to a year will not be called statistics. But to be included in statistics, it should contain a series of figures with relationships for a prolonged period. It should have a series of figures with the relationships for a prolonged period. Then only we can call it as a statistics. Okay. Secondly, they are numerically enumerated, estimated, and expressed. So statistics are numerically enumerated, estimated, and expressed. Statistical collection should be systematic with a predetermined purpose. So it should be systematic with a predetermined purpose. The purpose of collection of statistics should be determined beforehand in order to get accurate information. It should be determined beforehand in order to get accurate information. It should be capable of being used as a technique for drawing comparison. It should be capable of drawing comparison between two different sets of data by tools such as averages, ratios, rates, coefficients, etc. So you should have that is capable of drawing comparison between two different sets of data by tools such as averages, ratios, rates, coefficients, etc. The important functions of statistics are: it presents facts in a definite form. First, it presents facts in a definite form. Secondly, it simplifies mass of figures. It simplifies mass of figures. Thirdly, it facilitates comparison. It facilitates comparison. And it helps in formulating and testing. And also it helps in prediction. Finally, it helps in the formulation of suitable policies. So the main functions of statistics are: it presents facts in a definite form. Secondly, it implies mass of figures. Thirdly, it facilitates comparison. And fourth, it helps in formulating and testing. And fifth, it helps in prediction. And final, sixth, it helps in the formulation of suitable policies. So statistics is an important one in the modern collection of data. So a systematic collection of data. And also it has got what we call it as it drawing comparison between two different sets of data by tools such as averages, ratios, rates, coefficients, and so on. Let us learn nature and scope of statistics in the next class. Thank you for listening.